What smart money knows that beginner traders don't? Are you tired of losing money in the market? Do you feel like you're always one step behind? What if I told you there's a group of traders playing by a completely different set of rules? They're called smart money, and they know things most beginners don't. Get ready to discover their secrets. Hey everyone, and welcome. I'm excited to share some game-changing insights that can transform your trading. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of smart money and uncovering the strategies they use to consistently profit. We'll cover everything from their mindset to real-world examples and actionable steps you can take today. You'll learn how to avoid common beginner traps and build a solid foundation for smarter, more profitable trading. Let's get started. So, what exactly is smart money? It's a term used to describe institutional investors, hedge funds, and other large players in the market. Unlike retail traders who often react to news and emotions, smart money creates trends. They anticipate market movements, analyze fundamentals, and make calculated decisions based on data. Smart money focuses on long-term trends, market sentiment, and economic indicators. They have the patience and discipline to wait for the right opportunities. They use sophisticated tools like volume analysis, order flow, and in-depth economic reports to gain an edge. This allows them to see what's really happening beneath the surface. Their decisions are driven by data and a strong understanding of risk management. They don't gamble. They invest strategically. Let's look at a real-world example of how smart money operates. Imagine a stock price spikes suddenly on seemingly good news. A beginner might jump in, hoping to ride the wave. But smart money looks at the volume during that spike. If the volume is low, it could be a fake out, a trap designed to lure in unsuspecting traders. Smart money understands the importance of volume confirmation. Smart money looks for accumulation and distribution patterns. They analyze order flow to see who's buying and selling and at what prices. They often position themselves before major news releases, using their information advantage to profit from the market's reaction. They understand the power of being ahead of the curve. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is chasing pumps. They see a stock going up and jump in without doing their research. Another common trap is over-leveraging. Using too much leverage can amplify your losses and wipe out your account quickly. Emotional trading is also a killer. Letting fear and greed dictate your decisions will lead to impulsive and irrational trades. Ignoring risk management is a recipe for disaster. Smart money always sets stop-loss orders and manages their position size to protect their capital. Smart money sticks to their strategy, manages risk effectively, and stays disciplined, even when the market is volatile. They know that consistency is key to long-term success. So, how can you start thinking and trading like smart money? Here's a simple checklist to guide you. First, research fundamentals. Understand the underlying value of the assets you're trading. Second, analyze volume and order flow. Look for clues about what smart money is doing. Third, manage your risk. Always set stop-loss orders and control your position size. Fourth, stay patient and disciplined. Don't let emotions cloud your judgment. Finally, follow the news and economic indicators. Stay informed about the factors that can impact the market. Use this checklist as a foundation for making smarter, more informed trading decisions. It's a simple but powerful tool. All right, that's it for today's video. I hope you found these insights helpful and actionable. Remember, learning to trade like smart money takes time and practice. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep refining your strategy. And most importantly, stay disciplined and manage your risk. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more trading tips and strategies.